learn about how intonation can change within one sentence. Within one same sentence, the intonation can both rise and fall. Let me give you the rules for that. One rule is when we list items in a series. For example, when you say, I bought chicken, fish, apples, and sugar at the supermarket. Each of those items that you list should have a rising intonation. I bought chicken, fish, apples, and sugar. The last one will have falling intonation. So we go up, 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 down. Let's try that one more time. I bought chicken, fish, apples, and sugar. When you have that rising intonation, people know that that's not the last element. Something more is coming. Apples and sugar. When the intonation goes down, it indicates that we're finished talking. Let's try another example sentence where we list items in a series. I woke up, ate breakfast, and went to work. One more time. I woke up, ate breakfast, and went to work. Let's list some sports that you like to watch or that you like to play. For example, I like to run, to play tennis, and to swim. I like to run, to play tennis, and to swim. Which sports do you like? All right, try to list some things in a series. Maybe what you have in your refrigerator today. I have milk, water, butter, and eggs. Let's learn another rule about how intonation can be both rising and falling in one sentence. First, I'm going to say one short sentence two different ways, and I want you to ask yourself, how are they different? I think it's going to rain. I think it's going to rain. How does that feel different? Listen again. I think it's going to rain. I think it's going to rain. If I say it the second way, with my intonation going up, with the pitch going up, it sounds like something else is coming, like I'm not finished speaking. Listen again. I think it's going to rain, but I'm not sure. I think it's going to rain, but I'm not sure. Let's practice another sentence. I'd love to eat that. Repeat after me. I'd love to eat that. Intonation goes down. Listen to this. I'd love to eat that. Okay, something else is coming. I'd love to eat that, but I'm on a diet. I'd love to eat that, but I'm on a diet. All right, let's try one more. Give me your number. Give me your number. If you give me your number, I'll call you. If you give me your number, I'll call you. So to indicate that you're not finished, that you have something more to say, let your pitch go up at the end of the first part of your sentence. That way the listeners will be ready. It's kind of like having a comma and knowing that the thought is just partially finished. Also, with introductory words, we use rising intonation. Introductory words are words like on the other hand, or however, or in my opinion. It's something you put in the beginning of a sentence, usually followed by a comma. Let's practice that. On the other hand, maybe I'll go. On the other hand, I'll take the blue one. If you ask me, I think you did a good job. If you ask me, I think you did a good job. Let's practice one more introductory phrase. If I were you. If I were you, I would talk to him. If I were you, I would talk to him. Rising and falling intonation is also used when you're giving someone a choice. Should I call you or send you an email? Do you like chicken or beef? Does he have green eyes or blue eyes? Is he a young man or an old man? Now, let's practice all of these things in sentences. Are you married or single? Are you married or single? They have 4 children, ages 7, 9, 11, and 14. They have 4 children, ages 7, 9, 11, and 14. I went to the gym, came home, and called my friend. I went to the gym, came home, and called my friend. As far as I know, I'm not allergic to anything. As far as I know, I'm not allergic to anything. According to the weather report, it's going to rain. According to the weather report, it's going to rain. Remember, rising intonation when you're not finished speaking and you have something more to say, and then falling intonation at the end of your sentence.